What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am sharing a tool that I personally use in my day-to-day online work. It's called Proxy Seller. Now, I always believe in being transparent with my audience, so let me tell you straight away, I have been using Proxy Seller for a while now and I genuinely like it. I also have an exclusive promo code for you, and that code is B star. Here you can check out my promo code. So we must keep watching because I will tell you exactly where and how to use it and what are the benefits of it. Before we proceed further, I would like to clarify that this video content is only for informational and educational purpose only, not of financial investment advice. So do your own research before making any decision. Let me break this down in the simplest way possible. Viewers, imagine you want to visit a website, but that website is blocked in your country. Or imagine you are running multiple online accounts and you want each one to appear as a separate and independent users. This is where a proxy steps in. A proxy acts like a middleman between you and the internet. It gives you a different IP address so the website thinks you are connecting from a completely different location. Viewers, Proxy Seller is a company that provides exactly this service. So you can see that they are providing services for more than 10 years, and for over 500,000 people have used their services worldwide. And on Trustpilot, they carry a strong 4.5 out of 5 star rating, backed by close to 1,000 real customer reviews. That kind of track record builds trust. They have a wide range of proxy types available. Here you can check out different types like proxy IPv4, proxy IPv6, ISP proxies, residential proxies, mobile proxies. Different types are available and the pricing is very affordable. So here you can also check out that it starts from as low as 0.7 cents per IP. Different prices available. Here you can check out top 10 popular locations. USA 0.90 US dollars, England, Brazil, and here you can also check out mix packages starting from 0.7 for the Americas mix. And you can also check out the European proxies. You can also check out for the Asia. You can also check out for the Africa, South America, Australia, and Oceania. So the world's people use Proxy Seller for many different things: social media management, web scraping, online gaming, sneaker copying, and working with online marketplaces. They are providing you speed up to 1 GB per second with uptime 99%, 220 plus countries, user-friendly dashboard support for popular connection protocols like SOAP 5, HTTP, and most of them, their customer support is 24/7, 365 days, and they give you flexible authentication options. You can either use a username, a password, or go with IP whitelisting, whichever works better for your setup. Head over to the Proxy Seller website using the link I have placed in the description below. Once you land on their site, you will notice how clean and straightforward their interface is. Everything is right there in front of you. First of all, you will have to register your account. Here you can see the process is very simple. You will have to put your email and then you will have to set the password and then you will have to choose a service. So here you can check out different options are available. I am going to select IPv4 and then you will have to select the location. So viewers, you can see that different countries and different locations are available. You can choose any one of them. Proxy Seller covers major regions in the world. USA proxies are available from 90 cents per IP. So here I am going to select USA, and then you will have to select the time period. Here you can see that I am different options are available. You can select 1 week, 2 week, 1 month. So I select 1 week, and here you will have to select the number of IPs. So here you can see that I select 1 IP, and after putting my promo code, you can see that you can grab a discount offer. So now the price moves to 0.76. But if we increase the time period for 1 month, here you can see that price goes to 1.53 US dollars. And if we increase the number of IPs to 100, then price will further increase. Now it moves to 122 US dollars. You can take more 150 IP and the price will be cheaper by 183. Here is something really useful. Proxy Seller gives you volume discount. On the top of all that, you can use my promo code B star at checkout for an extra discount. Just look for the redeem code button, click it and type it in B star. You will instantly see the update price, which will be lower than before. It's a simple step that saves your money. So after putting out this information, I move to basic. So I selected 1 week, and the number of IP I selected just one. So after putting all this, we will click on by proxy. So now let's talk about how it works. So viewers, you can see that here we will have to put the purpose. So I am going to put the purpose. The hack is social. So here I selected social, and after it you can put other details like rental period 1 week, and after it you will have to select the payment method. So here you can check out different payment methods. So viewers, you will be taken to the order form, and you will have to fill in what you plan to use the proxy, enter your email address and set up your password. Your account gets created automatically for payment. They accept PayPal, Visa, MasterCard and cryptocurrency. Choose whatever is most convenient for you. After your payment goes through, your proxy will be fully active and ready to use in just 1 to 2 minutes. So I select Visa or MasterCard, and then you will have to submit the order. Then we click on submit the order. Here you can check out the order summary. Here you can check out email address, and you will have to put your country, and after putting the country you will click on continue, and within few minutes your proxy will be ready and fully active. Once your purchase is complete, log into your Proxy Seller account. Here you can check out that I have already made a login. So here you can see that we will click on Order section, and when we click on Order section we will go to our personal dashboard. All our active proxies will be listed right here. Here you can check out my proxies that I have purchased. Here you can check out 3 proxies. So a box will pop up showing the full details, the IP address and port number, username and password. Everything you need is in one place. So here you can see that if we click on question mark, all the details will be provided. One thing is to know they provide 2 types of ports, HTTP and SOX. Make sure you use the one that is compatible with your tool or our browser. Now comes the part many people find tricky, actually connecting the proxy to a browser. I am going to show you how to do inside MostLogin, which is one of the most reliable anti-detect browser available right now. Here is how to connect your Proxy Seller proxy inside MostLogin. First of all, you will have to download the MostLogin anti-detect browser and install in your device. So after that you will have to register your account. I have already downloaded and installed it in my device, and I have already registered my account. Here you can check out. And now I will explain how to connect your Proxy Seller proxy inside MostLogin. Step 1 is launch MostLogin and click on create profile. So this is create profile section. Here we will have to put the details like I am going to put here social media, and then so I am going to use this proxy for my Instagram, so I am going to name it Instagram. So after that we will have to select the operating system. I am using Windows, and after that we will have to select the version, operating system version 11, and then we will have to select the browser. So I am using Chrome. So after that we will have to put the other information, and then we move to the proxy section. Here we will put out the detail about the proxy. So viewers, here you can see that there are different options: direct, HTTP, HTTPS and SOX 5. I am going to put HTTP. And here you can check out the host port. We will copy the host port from the Proxy Seller and we will paste here. Here we will copy it and paste here. Now we will enter the port, and port is here. Now I will have to put the account and password. So I will copy all these details from Proxy Seller and I will paste here. So viewers, I have put all the information like host and port. I have put the details of account and password, and after it I will check the proxy. So here we will click on check proxy server. Here you can check out the detail of IP, country, region, Australia, New South Wales, Sydney, longitude, latitude, time zone and postal code details have been provided here. So our IP has been verified. Now we will click on confirm. So in this way our profile with its assigned proxy will be created. So here you can check out that our profile with name Instagram and with proxy has been created. After saving the profile we will click on start, and when we will click on start or run, a fresh browser window will open up. Inside that window you can check your IP address. It will match exactly what you ordered from Proxy Seller. Your proxy is live and working perfectly. And that is the complete process from selecting the proxy to having it fully set up inside MostLogin. The whole thing takes under 10 minutes. It's smooth, reliable, and very beginner friendly. Do not forget to use the affiliate link in the description to get the best deal, and always remember to enter the promo code BSTAR at checkout to unlock your extra discount. If you found this tutorial useful, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps the channel. Try Proxy Seller out and share your experience in the comment section below. I did every single one, and if you want more tutorials like this one, proxies and anti-detect browsers, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in the next one.